So in our previous videos, we have captured the data from Iridium satellite and then we parsed that data and we also analyzed the voice data which we received in our output.parsed file. In this video, we are going to do the same thing and we will see what other data we have found in the same output.parse file. So let me open my terminal. So we already analyzed voice data. Now we will analyze some other data which is layer 3 data and GSM data. So let's just start with it. So let me move into the Iridium toolkit directory, and over here let's just do ls. So over here you will see a reassembler tool. Over here you can see, so we are going to use this tool and we will pass some options to decode the data which we have in output.parse file. So let's just start with the first one. So we have to type sudo, then we have to type the file name, and then we have to pass the parsed file which is on our desktop. And with -m option we have to pass the arguments. So we can pass IDA. So IDA will output all the hexa code which is on layer 3 messages which is related to GSM networking. So it's not the actual messages, but these messages are before the communication starts. So these are hexa messages. So let's just see those as well. So we have to type the password. So over here you can see all the hexa messages. These are not that important, but yeah, we can get these messages as well. So the next thing is, let's just type the same command again. Again we have to pass the same parse file, and with m option we can pass lap which will create a pcap file, and in that pcap file we will have some GSM data. Let's just see that as well. So it has created the output.pcap file on the desktop, you can see. So we can open this pcap file in Wireshark, and Wireshark is already installed in Dragon OS, so we don't have to install it. And over here you can see different type of acknowledge SMS messages and RP acknowledge messages to the MS network. So you can analyze those packets. I'm not going to go into much detail of it, but when you capture the data, you will see some important information in these packets as well. So over here you can see GSM, CM service accept, and GSM header data as well. So we will get some important information in these pcap files as well, right? So we can also get some SMS data in pcap file. The next thing is paging data. So we will use the same command and we will use the page option to get the paging data, and it will output the hexa data of all the messages, and these numbers are related to the paging services. So these are also encrypted and you cannot see all the data in paging as well, right? And let's just use the last option, which is the message option, with the same command. So for messages we have to type msg, and you can see all the different messages over here. When I collected this data using my L-band antenna, I haven't got any decrypted message, but you can try and you might find some decrypted message as well. Over here I have just got the encrypted messages, but if you try for a long time, you might get some unencrypted messages as well. So these are also encrypted. And this is how you use L-band antenna with Iridium satellite to get data, and this is how we parse data and then we decode data.